Good morning, my name is Jen Abbott, Account Manager here at the Better Business Bureau serving Northern Indiana, and welcome to Tip Tuesday. This is a video series where every Tuesday we give you tips on how to make your accreditation work for you. Today's tip is to download and set up the free-to-you customer review app. What is the customer review app, you ask? Well, it's a free text message program that you send out to satisfied customers to get reviews. It literally takes less than 30 seconds to send the review out, and then also it takes the consumer less than 3 minutes to fill out a review for you. People are very motivated when they have something bad to say about your business. This app allows you to capture all the positive stories and share the satisfied customers that you have regarding your business. How do you get this? Go to your customer review. You can find the link in the video description. You put in your information and then you download your reviews app in the Google Play or Apple Store. If you're still not sure how to do this, we do have the video tutorial. The link will appear in the description. If you still need help, please feel free to call us. Phone number is 260-426-9970. Again, the phone number to call us and get some help is 260-426-9970. The number will also appear in the video description. Hey, and we got some upcoming events. First, in Michigan City, we have the B2B Mixer, February 12th. We also have a free BBB Basic webinar on February 19th. And on March 19th, we have a Maryville B2B Mixer. We have the links in the video description if you'd like some more information. Thank you so much. Have a great week.